JLG Industries presents Familiarization of the JLG AE1932. Proper training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any classification of MEWP equipment. In addition, the operator must also be familiarized with the specific machine model that they will be operating. The user shall ensure the operator is familiarized on the following: the location of the manual storage compartment and the requirement to ensure the required manuals are present on the MEWP. The purpose and function of the machine controls and indicators at the platform and ground control stations. The purpose, location, and function of the emergency controls. The operating characteristics and limitations. The features and devices and accessories and optional equipment. When authorized by the user, self-familiarization can be achieved by a properly trained operator reading, understanding, and following the manufacturer's Operation and Safety Manual. Make sure a copy of the Operation and Safety Manual, AEM Safety Manual, and ANSI Manual of Responsibilities is enclosed in the weather-resistant manual storage container located inside the platform. The ground controls are located on the right side of the machine at the base frame. They consist of a 3-position key switch that selects between 3 modes: off, platform mode, and ground mode. The platform lift and lower switch that controls raising and lowering the platform. Inverter on-off switch, if equipped. The ground emergency stop switch that turns off power to the function controls. The hour meter indicates the number of hours the machine has been operated. The platform overload indicator that illuminates when the platform is overloaded. An audible alarm will also signal when the platform is overloaded. The platform controls are located on the right side of the machine's platform. They consist of an emergency stop switch, the drive, steer, and lift controller that controls the drive, lift, and steer functions, the indicator display, if equipped, the lift drive select switch, a USB charging port, if equipped, indoor-outdoor capacity select switch, the trigger enable switch, which is located on the front of the joystick controller. It acts as a function enable switch and must be depressed before operating the drive, steer, and lift functions. Joystick functions, such as drive and lift, are proportionally controlled. As you push or pull the joystick controller from its neutral position, the function speed increases. The steer switch is a thumb-operated switch. Depressing the switch to the left will steer left, and depressing the switch to the right will steer right. The indicator display shows certain machine information depending on the machine mode and conditions. Reference Section 3 of your Operation and Safety Manual for a description of each machine control and indicator. The platform manual descent is located on the left rear of the machine, just below the platform ladder. Grasp the red T-handle and slowly pull out to lower the platform using gravity in the event of total power failure. Reference Section 4 of your Operation and Safety Manual for emergency procedures and steps to be taken in case of an emergency situation. The capacity limitations of your machine are based on the following criteria. The machine is positioned on a smooth and firm surface within the limits of the maximum operating slope. The load is within the manufacturer's rated capacity, and all machine systems are functioning properly, which can be established with a pre-start inspection. Reference Section 3.3 of your Operation and Safety Manual for operating characteristics and limitations. Your machine may be equipped with fold-down rails to navigate through standard doorways. A step-by-step platform rails fold-down procedure can be referenced in Section 3.13 of your Operation and Safety Manual. It's not recommended that this machine be towed except in the event of an emergency. If the machine must be towed, the machine is equipped with a push button to electrically release the brakes. Before towing the machine, it is extremely important to reference the towing procedure outlined in Section 3.15 of your Operation and Safety Manual. The machine has built-in forklift pockets. Lift the machine only with the platform in the stowed position. The machine also has 2 lift lugs at the front of the machine and 2 tie-down lift lugs at the rear of the frame that are to be used when lifting the machine with a spreader bar and 4 equal-length straps or chains capable of supporting the full gross weight of the machine. A list of various accessories and their corresponding markets can be found in Section 5 of your Operation and Safety Manual. Remember, when authorized by the user, self-familiarization can be achieved by a properly trained operator reading, understanding, and following the manufacturer's Operation and Safety Manual. If you require additional clarification on self-familiarization, don't hesitate to call us at 1-877-JLG-SAFE, or always check us out online at jlg.com. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.